Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the iPad off completely. This prevents short circuits. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and clear a flat workspace. Small screws matter. Use a suction cup or pick to lift the screen edge gently and start removing perimeter screws with the correct Torx or tri-point driver. This opens access without cracking the panel. Once done, keep each screw labeled by hole. You'll need exact placement when reassembling. You lift the display like opening a book and prop it to expose internals. This reduces stress on the LCD. Because power can linger, disconnect the battery connector first. Make sure the contacts do not touch metal. Then locate and gently unplug the display and SSD flex cables using a plastic spudger. Pry at the connector edge, not the cable. Unscrew the SSD bracket and remove it carefully. You are separating the storage module from the board, without bending or tearing any traces. You now slide the SSD straight out of its connector, keeping the module parallel so pins stay intact. Avoid twisting motions. Once removed, reverse the disassembly steps for reassembly. Seat the SSD, secure its bracket, reconnect display, and attach the battery last so accidental shorts are minimized. Make sure all screws return to their original holes. If the iPad fails to boot, power down, reseat the SSD and connectors, and verify no screws are shorting nearby components. Those checks resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.